Bingara. It's beautiful. That's all I can say. I've been here nearly 5 years, haven't lived in a better town, and I've lived in a lot. The people are just lovely. Facilities are amazing for a small town, and the infrastructure is wonderful. Well, we're known as one of the happiest towns in Australia. We moved up in the middle of the drought. So we went to the lookout and you looked over and it was a patchwork of brown. And now you go up there and it's just a beautiful patchwork of all the colours. I'm trying to better myself. And that's it. I've done a lot of workshops since I moved here, and the change in my personality, my lifestyle is amazing just by going to these things, listening that there is help out there. And this is about the only thing we don't have help with in town is mental health. And I think coming to it today, and I've got a few cards, because I know a few people that actually need it, but they don't like telehealth. They want to speak to a person and, yeah, anything. And I've turned into a calmer person. I think that's what got me through COVID. Just anything that can better my understanding of other people, especially because I work with the public every day. Just because I'm having a bad day, I've got to smile, because that's what I'm getting paid for. But those people could be having a bad day. And you just got to learn not to snap, Everything all right, buddy. You're not your normal self. Things like that. So anything that can help, and help just one person, it's worthwhile. We're still going to wake up tomorrow and there's someone to talk to. There's always someone. Even if it's only a phone call away, there's someone.
I think it's lots of things. It's recognising community champions. It's recognising people who've been through it and maybe have come out quite well, and utilising that knowledge. Just being aware of who's around when you need them, because when you don't need them, we're not aware of them. And just the value of getting people in the room after 2 years of social isolation is always the best. So today has been fantastic, just chatting to people, sharing stories, listening. That's the value of it. And whether it's a group of 4 people or a group of 12 people, it doesn't matter. That experience of bringing people together has been a huge success. So HealthWISE responded to a tender opportunity provided by the Primary Health Network, and we're interested in projects like this where we can build capacity in communities and build resilience and skills. Our purpose is to build healthier communities, and that's our vision. We do that through educating people and giving them skills to respond. So in this case, responding to the disasters of the bushfires that were so devastating in some communities. When I talk about community, I include service delivery in that. We live and work in our communities, so we're all part of it. Part of the co-design of these workshops was to include service delivery participants along with community members, so that they weren't separate, but they were all experiencing the content together. I think that's quite unique. So by connecting with people and connecting the system a bit better, hopefully we can make that process easier.